Yeah, there was a noise over here. I don't know what it was, but I got him excited. Can't see it. Alt. Is there an animal out there, or is that just settling, or what? Sting bug! That's what we heard earlier, me and Butters. I thought it was something outside. It takes the man to find it.
Wow.
He's expecting tips. He's rubbing on the pole like he used to. A youngster, he used to strip in Vegas, so he's used to swinging around on the pole. Look at that beanie.
Just remember, if you're gonna strip, don't do it in Canada.
All those loonies and toonies.
Yep, those things hurt. Meow. 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 Yeah. You win. Oh, you gonna get your prize? I'm gonna put the chair away. I'm getting my area situated. I know you don't care. Excuse me. Meow. 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 Okay, let's go. Pancakes.
Mr. Butters watching the sparrows outside, and happy St. Patrick's Day. Just put out seed for the birdies. We had a little chipmunk out there. I don't think it's Fredder's, the one that was downstairs. It's too small. Looks like a youngin'. Little beanie baby. He's been chilling today. Hi, mister. Finally moving around a little bit. Gurgling at me. He's been sleeping all day. You saving up to party tonight? You're gonna party with the leprechauns? Sniffing clovers? And shamrocks? Breaking into the Lucky Charms? He's Irish by adoption. Is Irish. Aw, little baby was crying for a second. His daddy's in the shower. He does not approve. Butter baby. Finally awake. After all day sleeping, he left me to be to my own devices. Yeah. You're a good boy. Who's that pretty boy? It's a beanie baby. Do you want to play some games? You want to play some games on my iPad? Like, you got any games on your phone? I'll just be this way. You like this game sometimes. That's how you play. Like, I'm not amused right now.
Meow. Come on. Hold it. Where are we going? Oh, what do you want to do? Yeah, the little solar butterfly is rocking out. Getting that rhythm going.